The function f is continuous on the closed interval 2 to 8 and has values that are given in the table above. Using the subintervals 2 to 5, 5 to 7, and 7 to 8, what is the trapezoidal approximation of the integral from 2 to 8 of f of x dx? We will be using the trapezoidal approximation equation or formula 1/2 h for height times b1 plus b2, or base 1 plus base 2.
Alright, so I've erased the problem in order to make more room to solve it, but it's okay because I wrote down the 3 key intervals that we need to solve it. So, solve this problem, we're going to start by pulling out the constant. Just put that 1/2 down here right now. Now, we need to figure out what our variables are. Let's start with height. The height's pretty easy to figure out. You just take the second x value minus the first x value, and you get the height. So for this first interval, our height is 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3. For the second interval, our height is 2 because 7 minus 5 is 2. And for the third interval, our height is just 1 because 8 minus 7 is 1. So we're going to go ahead and plug those heights in down here. I'm going to use these types of parentheses because we're going to have more parentheses later. So start with the height, 3, we'll have base 1 and base 2, plus the second height, which is 2, base 1 plus base 2, plus, and we really don't need to write the 1 because it's just a 1, so we're going to have base 1 plus base 2 over here as well. Now, base 1 and base 2. For the first interval, the first base is going to be 10 because when you plug x in for, or 2 in for x, you get a value of 10. So we're going to have 10 plus, second value is going to be 30 because when you plug in a 5, you get 30. Same deal for this one. The first value is going to be 30, base 1 is 30, plus base 2 is going to be 40. And then the third value, or interval, is going to be 40 plus 20. Now we can simplify this down a little bit to equal 1/2 times 3 times 40 plus 2 times 70 plus 80, just kidding, 60. And since you're allowed to use the calculator, you would just plug all of this into the calculator and you would find out that it equals 160, which is